This is Paloma.
This is Patrick. Welcome to
Learning English at home. Stay at home.
Hello again. This is Teacher Patrick, and today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Yes, they are animals that live on a farm. Come closer. This is a farm, and all the animals live on the farm. And these animals help the farmer. Yes, he is the farmer. The farmer works on the farm, and the animals help the farmer. So this is la granja, and he is el granjero. And today we are going to learn about all these animals. Are you ready? Do you want to learn with me? Come on, let's go. This is a cow. A cow. Repeat after me. Cow. And the cow gives us milk. We can drink the milk. Do you like milk? I love milk. Yes. The farmer milks the cow, and we drink the delicious milk from the cow. Yes. And come closer. Listen. What sound does the cow make? Moo. Yes. This is the sound. The cow says moo. Repeat after me. Moo. Very good. The cow on the farm says moo, 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 moo. The cow on the farm says moo, 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 all day long. This is a donkey. Yes, donkey. And donkey helps the farmer with the heavy and hard work because donkeys are very, very strong. Yes. And what sound does the donkey make? Listen. Yes, it's a donkey. On the farm live a family. Yes. She is the mom, the hen. And this is the baby, the chicken. Hen and chicken. And that is the rooster. Yes, the rooster. Can you say it with me? Hen. Very good. Hen. Chicken. Very good. And the rooster. Very good. And the hen give us eggs. And with the eggs we can cook delicious meals. Yes. And what sound does the hen make? Listen. Yes, that's the hen. And how about the rooster? Come closer. Listen. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Yes, that's the rooster. And do you want to know the song? Let's sing it with me. The hen on the farm says pop, 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 pop. The rooster on the farm says cuckoo, cuckoo, all day long. Look at this. Can you see? Yes, it's a duck. It is a duck. Repeat after me. Duck. And ducks swim a lot. They love swimming. And this is their sound. Quack, 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 quack. Repeat after me. Duck. Very good. Quack, 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 quack. Let's sing it together. The duck on the farm says quack, 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 quack. The duck on the farm says quack, 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 all day long. Hey, children, look, look. What animal is this? It's a goat. Yes, repeat after me. It's a goat. Very good. And goats give us cheese. Do you like cheese? I love cheese. Yes. And listen. Nah, nah. Yes, that's a goat. Very good. Let's sing it together. The goat on the farm says na na na, na na na, all day long. Now we are going to learn about a beautiful animal that lives on the farm. It's a big animal and has a long tail with a beautiful hair. Yes, look. It is the horse. Yes, it's the horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Yes, horses run a lot. They love running. They love running and they run very, very, very fast. If you go to a farm and you visit the farmer, you can ride on a horse. The horse on the farm says neigh, 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 all day long. Oh, look! This is another cute animal that lives on a farm. Can you see it? Yes, it's a sheep. Yes, a sheep. And sheep gives us warm wool. Lana calentita, can you see the wool? Yes, they give us warm wool. Very good. Sheep. I love sheep. Yes. And listen. What is this sound? Ba. Ba. Yes, this is a sheep. Do you want to sing it together? Let's do it. The sheep on the farm says ba ba ba. Ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep on the farm says ba ba ba, all day long. And finally, we have the pig. Yes, the pig is pink. Look at him. He's big. Yes. And the pig says, do it with me. Put your finger on your nose. Oink, 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 oink. This is the pig. The pig on the farm says oink, 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 oink. The pig on the farm says oink, 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 all day long. Do you like all the animals on the farm? I love all of them. I have an idea. Why don't we play a game? Are you ready? You have to listen an animal sound and you have to guess what animal it is. Are you ready? Okay, let's play together. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a cow. Very good. Well done. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a sheep. Very good. Well done. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a horse. Very good. Well done. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a goat. It's a goat. Very good. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a pig. Very good. It's a pig. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a hen. Well done. It's a hen. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a chicken. It's a chicken. What is it? Listen. Listen. Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a donkey. It's a donkey. Very good. And the last one. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a rooster. It's a rooster. Well done. You're doing a great job. Perfect. I hope you have enjoyed a lot learning all about the farm animals. I love them. And remember, next Thursday on this channel, Teacher Paloma will teach you about pets, las mascotas. I'm sure you will enjoy it a lot with this video. Remember, watching in this channel. Thanks for watching.